Welcome to the Warhammer 40,000 Scenario Tool. This is a tool I created to fill a need due to how complex and how many rules there are in the Warhammer tabletop game. I figured we'd start somewhere, and starting with scenarios seemed like one of the simpler parts of the game to work with. This can still be quite complex, with many rules being reused through different scenarios, while others being changed. Some present only for some scenarios, not for others. So I stripped down to the core parts, and we decided to make this website, which is basically like an old school terminal kind of style. It's hosted on the domain's hosted on GoDaddy, but it's linked to Python Anywhere, which is a Python with a Flask environment. And so, yeah. So we got full CRUD functionality, create, report, update, delete, and we'll go through those real quick. This is the landing page. Eventually, I'd end up adding on a login, but right now, I haven't gotten to that point. Looking at Flask logins is a little different. Try and make sure it's actually secure. Doesn't try to let the password in username in clear. It's a little more difficult, so yeah, I did get that done. Then we go to create, so we'll create a report. So we'll go with ambush, snare description, runaway, power level being, say, 500, make it kind of small, battle length 7 turns. Attacker deployment 12 inches away from defender and from any edge except from defender. Surrounding defender and up to 3 sides. That's big, so let's resize it. Just fun. Defender deployment 12 inches and 12 inches wide on defenders. Edge and up to 18 inches. From attackers' forces on attacker's home edge. It's kind of like a U-shaped ambush. Project name. Runaway. Okay, description. Defender must evacuate as many forces as possible. Attacker must eliminate those forces before they can escape. Maybe it's kind of short because each of these is usually like a paragraph, but we're just gonna do a quick one here. Return condition name. Let's say Warden. Defender gets points for each model that escapes. Attacker gets points for each model killed Osage. Defender killed. Kill his own guy just because. And then most points wins. Okay, so there we go. We got this nice and quick. I make sure there's okay. For some reason, apostrophes tends to make it mess up. So those things we created brings me to the report page, and right away you see right there, it's been created. I had created some other ones just so you can kind of see how big they are. If I do it again, I would probably have made the create a modal, just put like a button up here, and then it brings up another screen, and had update and delete as a separate another column here, and that would have made it just 2 pages and easier. And then we only really have a login page and the main page. But yeah, so let's click on this to update. Let you know you can update, auto populates, and we'll say we'll bring it down to 5. Then we update, verifies that you got all the info you wanted, and lets you know it's successful. Yay! And then there we go. It changed from 7 to 5. If we want to delete, we go put in snare ID and delete, verifies you want to delete it, and shazam, it's been deleted. Get back. So that's cool. Yeah, it's connected to a MySQL database. I used a Bootstrap CDN for styling. So there's a little bit of funky styling stuff. To do it again, I'd probably take the CDN and instead just copy the JavaScript or the CSS and put it as its own file, locally hosted. Now I could just change it directly instead of having to mess with inline or trying to overwrite it with a second CSS. Yep. And then yeah, and the fab icon is from Flaticon, which is a fun free site. So I recommend you guys try some of that. Yeah, some free ones and other ones that are pay to use, or you have to basically like a GNU style where you have to say, hey, we used them for this, to give credit to the people who created. And there's a lot of awesome ones there too. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed it, and good luck on your projects.